Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Bling Galleria to create a fun Mardi Gras themed mani. The first color here, it is called Biscotti Blond. Now this is a fine glitter mix. It is the perfect butterscotch shimmer, and it is a mixture between like yellow and orange, but it definitely is more butterscotch and it is really, really pretty. And then we're going to be using Grape Soda. Now this one is probably one of my new favorites. You will see it here in action. It almost has like this holographic, like reflective glitter in it, and it is super pretty, and it's more of a finer glitter than that Biscotti Blonde. And then Green Goddess is the most neon pigmented vibrant dip glitter that I own, and it is really pretty, and I just really like that tone of glitter. It is the perfect pop of neon. And then we're going to be using this fun glitter here. It's called Flashing for Beads, and it is a mixture of chunky and fine glitter, and you will see here that those hexagon glitters have like these lines in them, so it really makes them have like a three-dimensional shape to them. Now here are the four colors together. Aren't these the perfect Mardi Gras colors? I'm completely obsessed with Flashing for Beads. I think it's such a fun glitter, and I have not seen anything like that with the texture glitter, so it's pretty unique. And then we will be doing the manicure on my nails today. We will not be doing press-ons, and we will be doing the gel method. Now, this is the first time that I use these dip liquids with my builder gel on top of my jelly tips, and I will say I did have a hard time with the dry time on top of builder gel with these liquids. Now these are the Gental Odorless dip liquids from Sundara Nails, and normally when I am doing my dip powder manis on my nail, I am just doing them on jelly tips. I do not ever have builder gel on top of my jelly tips. I just prefer a fresh set of jelly tips. There's just something about a fresh set versus like filling it with builder gel. It's just a personal preference, but I really wanted to play with this builder gel because it has like some sparkle in there, and I think it's super pretty, so I wanted just to play with it. And I did notice that the dry time for the dip liquids were super slow. I don't know if that's a combination of my peel base and the builder gel, but I normally do not have a problem with dry time with these liquids, so I'm assuming it is the builder gel. But that's a me problem, but you will notice that I did end up switching dip liquids from the Sundara nail liquids to the Ritzy dip liquids just for the speed of the dry time. That was the only reason. I do love the Sundara nail Gentle Odorless dip liquids. I just did not care for the speed with the liquids with my builder gel. So completely a personal thing. And I was crunched on time anyways because my little peanut is home now from NICU. So I wanted to get this mani in while he was napping. So if you did not see my upload earlier today, I finally did that special mani, and I kind of filled you in on my pregnancy journey. So definitely check that out at the end of the video if that is something that you're interested in. I know a lot of you have reached out to me and have been asking how the baby is, so I just thought I would do a special little mani, and then we could go over that whole journey. So definitely check that out. So right now we are dipping into that Biscotti Blonde, and how pretty is that, just like sitting there while I'm applying that dip base. It's just like a very hypnotizing glitter. And check out that full coverage glitter right there. I actually only ended up doing one dip of that Biscotti Blonde because the coverage was phenomenal. So you will notice here that that is why I only showed one dip on camera, because I only need one dip with that beautiful glitter. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in just a few moments. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some more dip base, and then we're going to hand place some glitters. So you could either go ahead and dip directly into the cupcake liner for your second layer, but I find to reduce bulk, I like to hand place some of the larger glitters on areas that I want. And right now I'm really focusing those larger glitters on the right side of that nail, because when I originally dipped into this dip powder, a lot of the larger ones went on that right hand side, and then the left hand side had some finer glitters, and it kind of made a really pretty design organically, and I really liked how that turned out. So I wanted to keep kind of like that same design on the nail. So then now I'm going to go ahead and take an ombre brush, and I'm going to go ahead and dip that brush into the dip powder, and I'm really focusing on picking up those finer glitters to fill in that other side. And then I'm just pressing down those glitters gently so they're laying super flat, and you will see here how flat these glitters lay. I was like super impressed how flat those glitters laid. And I find that the way that I applied that chunky glitter with dipping that first layer into the cupcake liner and then hand placing and then using the eyeshadow brush to put some of the finer glitter on, that really helps reduce any of that bulkiness, and it really cuts down on any filing and buffing time. If you've ever struggled with chunky glitter, I definitely recommend trying it that way once to see if you like it a little bit better, because my glitters have never laid so flat with that method. So right now with that green goddess nail, I'm going ahead and I'm placing the larger glitters and the smaller glitters kind of all over the nail, kind of like as a party confetti nail. All right, so let's dive back into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
We drove to New Jersey, your icing, I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? Then maybe we should open up. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We 'cause I wanna stay. We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the flames getting higher. You hear when I me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk.
right, now that that top coat is dry, we're going to go ahead and finish up this mani with some cuticle oil. This cuticle oil is from Texas Girl Dips, and it is in Cactus Blossom, the scent. So I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun and vibrant for Mardi Gras, and all that sparkle is giving me all those good Mardi Gras vibes. Now, Mardi Gras is actually the weekend after Valentine's Day, so if these colors are something that you're eyeing up, definitely do not wait. We are already into the end of January, so February is right around the corner. So definitely add these to your next Bling Galleria order if these are something that you like, because they're really beautiful and they applied amazingly. So I will go ahead and link everything that I use in today's video in the description box below, and I will see you in the next upload.